I want us to have a look at some of the benefits of Biotox Gold. And the reason why I like this product is, one of the things is it boosts metabolism. One of the main cause of weight gain and what causes people to gain a lot of weight is low metabolism rate, the rate at which our body break down food, and also how it break down these fats. So with this product, as you know, it has natural ingredients that are rich in antioxidants and detoxifiers. It really helps in boosting your metabolism, and by boosting your metabolism, your body can be able to break down body fats in a quicker way, hence helping you lose weight. Another thing is it lowers inflammation level. Most people who have experienced weight gain have some issues like inflammation because of the kind of diet they are in or their lifestyle. So with this product, it lowers the inflammation level, hence helping you to continue with your weight loss journey in a healthy way. Another reason why I love this product is it manages hormonal imbalance. Most women suffer from this, and this is one of the things that causes weight gain. So with this product, make sure that your hormones are balanced, so it will really help you in your weight loss journey. And that's another reason why I love this product. Another benefit of Biotox Gold is detoxification. This supplement contains certain ingredients that crack the toxin accumulation in the blood and filter them out of the body. It removes toxin from your body. So that is the reason why I love this product, because most of its ingredients are natural and they will help in the detoxification of our bodies. And finally, another benefit of this product is it increases energy level and motivation level. Low motivation and energy levels are two main factors that can make the weight loss journey very hard. So using this supplement can make a person feel active, energetic, and weight conscious. It also helps you get faster results. So those are some of the benefits of this product, this dietary supplement. And I want us to go to have a look at how this product is administered. So how is this product administered? It is recommended that you take it 3 times in a day, and in each section you use 10 droplets. That is when you will be able to see noticeable results, especially in your energy level, and it will boost your metabolism. It will help you start losing the belly fat and also help you lose weight. So last but not least, I want to share with you a place where you can get this product. So you can get this product in the official website of Biotox Nutrition. Their website looks like this, and I will also leave a link in description for you to access it. As you know, this is a product that is not available in any shop, or you cannot find it anywhere else except their official website. A good thing about this product is it is free shipping. So you just have to purchase the product and it will be shipped to your place of residence, country of residence. And that is it I have to say about Biotox Gold. The most important thing in this life is being able to help someone. And if you are able to help someone lose weight, that will be a good thing you have done to someone, because we are here to help each other. Have a nice day.